It's off. All right, today we're going to bring an A-zone solar light. This is perfect for outdoors. It's a street light. If you guys can see it, it has a beautiful solar panel, long solar panel. And then we're going to flip it over so you guys can see the light. Right now it's trying to turn on right now. If you guys can see, it was capturing some sunlight. So it was actually green. I don't want to turn it on yet. We're going to turn it on at night. So we're going to try to save some power. They give you the control, and the control is very simple. It has off, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, induction, and always on. So this was always on if you want to turn it on. They give the instructions. They give you a bunch of screws for different kinds of mounts. All right, it could be masonry, it could be drywall, pretty much anything, wood structures. And then they give you the actual pole itself where this system goes. So today we're going to mount it up in our backyard and see how well it works. And we're going to come back at night and go ahead and light it up. So let's go ahead and do that. Putting it together is easy. All right, this is pretty much the pole here. You set it up here, but if you have a different mount, you can always mount it differently too. All right, so you can marry it so you just pass these through in here. Make sure you pass them through. All right, and the other side has screws that are fitted for this. All right, and they give you the actual wrench too. It's included in here, so you can start tightening it up. We're gonna set it up right now. We're gonna set it up into our backyard, like I said. But let's go ahead and set up all the screws. This is where you drop the screws. If you guys can see it, they perfectly shaped for this, so they won't turn on you, right? And you just squeeze them in there. So we drop one in there, and we make sure that the screws goes in there with it, all right? So my recommendation is tie this up first on the back, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount it, and then we tie them up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're gonna light up this place, the light. We're gonna see how bright it is. We're gonna test it out here. You guys can see it. Right now it's green because it's picking up some rays of the sun. If you guys let me zoom in. You guys see? We're gonna see how bright it is. I'm gonna light this whole place up. Let's go ahead and do that. Come back at night. See how bright it gets. All right, this is a light at night. You can see it. It's super bright here. I'm gonna turn it off again. It's off. It's completely off. Let's turn it back on. Let's turn it back on. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.